Hello and welcome, you shining star. We are time anti-time.
Introduction. Welcome to this exploration of the electromagnetic self, a key facet of your multidimensional self, acting as the bridge between spirit, soul, and the physical body.
Guided by the mighty I Am presence, your innermost divine essence, you'll gain insight into what the electromagnetic body is, how it functions, and conclude with meditation information to powerfully embody this aspect of yourself.
The planes and the electromagnetic self. The electromagnetic self primarily resides and interacts across the etheric and astral planes, serving as the energetic interface between the denser physical world and the subtler dimensions of mind and spirit. It is
anchored in the etheric plane as the vehicle for vital force, prana, chi, regulating energetic processes within and around your body. Extends into the astral plane through emotions and desires, linking feelings and energetic patterns.
And it acts as a foundation for conscious interaction with the spiritual and material realms, drawing from higher I Am source guidance and intention.
Anatomy of the electromagnetic body, the core components.
The body itself. This is the dynamic field surrounding and permeating your physical form, made up of bioplasmic energies, often called the energy body. It governs not only health and vitality, but also energetic boundaries and resilience.
The mind of the electromagnetic body. The mind here refers to the organizing intelligence that regulates the flow of energy, interprets sensory and psychic input, and determines how your field interacts with external forces. It supports intuition and energetic discernment.
The heart of the electromagnetic body. At its center, the electromagnetic heart is the generator and harmonizer. Its coherent field radiates love, compassion, and heals imbalances, acting as a tuning fork for your whole system.
The circulatory system. This consists of meridians, chakras, and nadis, energy channels that circulate electromagnetic currents throughout the body. They transport life force energy to organs, glands, and the energetic matrix, maintaining dynamic equilibrium.
The aura. The aura is the visible or subtle field that surrounds your body, your energetic atmosphere. It reflects your overall health, emotions, thoughts, and spiritual progress, shifting in color and intensity according to your internal state.
Embodying the electromagnetic body self-meditation information.
Connect to presence. Silently affirm, mighty I Am presence, I call forth your guidance as I awaken my electromagnetic self. Feel a luminous thread of golden white energy descending from above your head, settling at your heart center.
Awaken the electromagnetic body. Imagine a field of electric blue and soft golden light expanding around you, within and beyond your skin.
Visualize energy spiraling from your heart, radiating through your chest, pulsing and harmonizing your whole being. Sense currents moving from your heart through your arms, legs, and out through your hands and feet.
Balance mind and heart. Tune into the intelligence within this field, the mind of your energy body. Ask, what do I need to know to balance and protect my energy? Open to any sensations, colors, images, or subtle insights.
Activate the circulatory system. See or feel energetic streams, like glowing rivers, running from your heart through pathways, your meridians, chakras. Sense any blockages dissolving as you gently direct your breath and intention through these channels.
Expand and cleanse the aura. Picture your electromagnetic field bright, clear, and strong, extending 3 feet in all directions. Any heaviness or dullness is swept away by radiant light from your heart center.
Seal and affirm. Silently declare, by the power of my mighty I Am presence, I am whole, harmonized, and centers in my electromagnetic self. Feel a sense of completion and peace.
Take a final deep breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and return to the present moment, infused with light, clarity, and coherence.
Conclusion. The electromagnetic self is your energetic regulator, sacred interface, and shield through all dimensions, anchored and harmonized under the guidance of your mighty I Am presence. Cultivating awareness and embodiment of this self brings vitality, clarity, and profound spiritual resilience.
We are thankful that you have gotten more familiar with your electromagnetic self. Great job, you shining star. We are time anti-time.